Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the very first time you're coming across my channel here on YouTube, you are so welcome. Please do not forget to leave this channel without subscribing, and when you do, please turn on your post notification bell so you'll be updated each time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm just going to be making a regular breakfast. Well, not so regular because I have definitely not made this kind of breakfast before. It is just a normal bread and egg, but this time around it is with a little twist. It is not something new, but for me it is something new because this is the first time I'm actually making this kind of thing, and I am so thankful that my mom was not around, because if she were around, this process would have irritated her, because even me, as I was preparing it, I was scared for myself, but the experimental spirit in me just wanted to continue, and that was why I actually continued. So I started off this cooking by breaking two eggs. I used two eggs for this recipe or this breakfast, and then this is just the egg. I'm trying to turn it into this flat bowl just so I can have easy accessibility. What am I just saying? So I took my bread and I dipped it into the egg, just as you can see, and that's what I see them do. So I'm just following what they do, and I already have my heated pan. So when I brought that out from the egg, I placed it into my pan, and my hand was, you can see what I was doing. It was sticky because I used my hand. I think I was not supposed to use my hand, but because it was me that was going to eat it now, I was not preparing it for anybody. Like, it's not professional. That was why I was making it, because it's just a personal breakfast. So I went ahead to do the same thing for the other for the other bread. I'm using 3 loaves of bread for this breakfast. So I think I dipped the first bread too much because it actually soaked all the eggs. So, well, that is good because this first one was so yummy. It was more like the bread was coated in egg, which is how the ideal breakfast, like the ideal recipe, is supposed to be. So, I guess this first one actually came out the way it was supposed to come out, and the other ones were just there because the egg wasn't as much as it was in this first one. If this is something you've already tried out before, or if it is something you can try out, please let me know in the comment section. I know my mom will never do this because I just know that my mom doesn't like anything that has to do with eggs, playing with raw eggs. She doesn't like it at all. So I know that this is actually going to be very irritating to her. But then if you can fry it very well, allow the bread gets burnt very well, I'm sure she's going to actually like it. So that's just me trying to be happy, because when I flipped it, the result I was getting, the way it was looking, it was all nice, and I was already feeling like a mini chef that I am actually. So this is the same process I used in all the eggs and all the bread. I mean, I just dipped the bread into my egg, and then I brought it out, and then I placed it on my pan, and it was already looking very good. You can see how this one is looking. This is the same breakfast, so this is the same recipe they will do for you in a very big restaurant, and they will charge you 35,000 naira and you will pay for it. So that is why it is good to log on social media, go to YouTube, to Facebook, to Instagram, learn new things, do new things. This is simple. This is very simple. So let it not be like I am oversaying it. It's simple, but then I've not tried it before, so it's very new to me. So please also make sure to try it. And also, I was supposed to add cheese in it because there is this cheese I used in making pizza some times ago. It is still in the freezer, but then I forgot totally. I would have added it. If I had added that cheese to this recipe, it would have been a killer. But cheese on bread doesn't really go well for me, because when I chew it, I'll still get to be feeling the raw cheese. So I don't know. I guess that cheese thing doesn't work for me when it comes to bread, except when it comes to pizza, where it will be well heated, and then everything is just going to be, it's just going to appear good. So guys, I'll just allow you guys to enjoy the rest of this video while I give you a slow and calm music to cool your nerves. We are going to be eating our breakfast. This is the first time I'm trying this thing and I don't know how to react. It tastes like egg. I mean, it was made of egg, right? I think it's really nice. It's also very creamy. And my tea. It's too hot. And the back, I mean, whenever you want to make bread and egg next time, this is definitely the stuff you need to try. Because can you see the egg? Can you see what's going on here? So I'm going to go ahead and eat my food while I'm going to see you guys when I'm done. Immediately I'm done, I think I'm just going to go and sleep, and then when I wake up I'll edit a video, and then that's just it. See you guys later.
Big money, a lot to make all the use out of it. Goes with combination, with the time, real rock, the sun, I share the